If you're interested in affiliate marketing and making hundreds of dollars like others, you might be wondering where you can find the best products to promote. Luckily, there are plenty of marketplaces out there that connect affiliate marketers with merchants who are looking to sell their products. One popular option is Amazon Associates, which lets you earn commissions on products sold through Amazon. With millions of products to choose from, you're sure to find something that fits your niche. Another marketplace to consider is ClickBank, which specializes in digital products like ebooks and software. They offer high commissions and a user-friendly platform for both merchants and affiliates. If you're interested in promoting physical products, you might want to check out ShareASale. They have a wide range of merchants, including well-known brands like Reebok and ModCloth. Finally, don't forget about the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok can be great places to promote products and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. So those are just a few of the marketplaces available for affiliate marketing. Do some research, find the ones that work best for you, and start earning those commissions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing.